This is a video at the Blount residence. This is an oil furnace, a Kenmore, which is a Heil, and it's got a 6-inch flue. It's 140,000 1 gallon. It's got cooling coil inside the plenum, and flue goes up to an all-fuel chimney. And we've got a condensate drain that goes to the floor drain. We've got 3/4, 3/8 suction liquid line, and actually that expands to 7/8. So I think out to the unit we've got 7/8, 3/8. Got a return drop here, side filter. It's 16 by 25, and drop duct 10 by 24, and a supply duct 8 by 24, which is too small for the 3.5 ton that we have here. There's just no way to increase it, so I'm going to recommend a variable speed fan to take care of it. Actually, that filter size, I'm sorry, is 20 by 25, which is good. So that is about it. Here, water furnace, or water heater right beside it. Got good access to the basement and up the basement steps. This is a tri-level home with the basement, so there's 4 different levels. And that's about it down here. Refrigerant lines go out to the sidewall.